friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a quick export in Davinci Resolve. Now guys, when you're using Davinci Resolve, normally the typical way is to go through your editing process, change your some color correction or color grading, go to delivery, select a project setting that you so want to choose, and then you go ahead and add to render queue, and then simply go ahead and render your video. But if you don't want to go through all of this and you're doing some quick edits and you want to do a quick export, there's a way how to easily do that. And on top of that, this way can even allow you to export directly to YouTube and other social accounts. So check this out. So once you're here, all you have to do is simply click your file in the upper left hand side, guys. Then you want to go down to where it says quick export. If you click on that, you have some options here. You have some quick options here at the top that you can simply export to your PC. You can export directly to YouTube. So if you click on this, you just need to sign into your YouTube account and you can simply go ahead and export and upload directly to YouTube. All you'd have to do is head over to YouTube and just finish up your video, such as your title, your description, your thumbnail, and if you want to add tags and publish, right? Or you can just simply go ahead and do all of that here for you. As it says here, sign in to publish directly to YouTube. So you can do that directly from Davinci Resolve. You have Vimeo, you have TikTok, and of course Dropbox and so forth. So we'll use this option here, guys, to choose the first option, which is the H264, and you can simply click export to computer. It's gonna go ahead and pop up my file explorer here. I'm gonna select the downloads and I'm gonna simply select, for example, timeline, or simple like this, time. Let's put it as time, and just simply click and save, and it's gonna do a quick export of this video directly into my downloads folder. And I'm gonna go there and simply play that video. As you can see, it's done already, very quick. Simply click and close. And if I head over to my file explorer here, guys, and go to my downloads folder, you will see that I have the video here. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to quick export in Davinci Resolve.